Welcome back to Ahsan Wali YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that how you can make money online and you can earn $1,000 per a month. So this video is going to be very interesting for all of you. So you have to watch this video complete at end. So now we have to go to the Google search bar and type how to make $100 a month. So when we click on the first search bar, you can see many ideas here. Job ideas for how to make $100 a month. So freelance writing can be uh, a way to produce extra income. Virtual assistant, if you are a fairly organized person that you could excel as a visual assistant. So number three is online English tutor. Number four, data entry. Number five, proofreading. Number six, blogging. Number seven, social media manager, and number eight is resume writer. So there is many other websites. So let's see. So here when we click on what can make me $100 a month. So here is 26 ways to make an extra $1,000 a month. That is a huge amount. So freelance writing, I am going to start with a method that nearly and dear to my heart. So number two is graphic design, web development, audio transcription, helping people with computers, investing your money, selling your old stuff, and retail arbitrage. So how to make an extra $100 a month with 26 actual ways. So you can see all of these websites. So there is the top website when you search on the Google bar how to make $100 a month. So now we can go another website and see 50 ways to make an extra $100 a month in 2022. Let's see. So here we can see 50 ways to make money $100 at home. So here's the name of all of these categories. Uh, how to get started with fulfillment by Amazon. You can also start Amazon, start a blog, start a niche site. There is the 50 ideas that will help you to make $100 a month. So become a virtual assistant. And number eight is earn cashback on things that we already discussed. How to get started a freelance writer, get paid to proofread, how to starting a freelancing proofreader, and many more websites you can see in this article. So these are all of the websites that will help you to make an extra money uh, at home in 2020. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Here is some other websites that how to make $100 in 24 hours.